Wow. Go.
Oh
no. Vincey, was that cold or what?
Yes. Hey buddy, how did that? And the big dog here, Marty, Mama there, one, without him. Mama,
Okay, go. Hey, Vincey. What happened to you? It looks like you're riding a horse now. A horse made of snow.
Hey!
Say, giddy up, horsey.
Hey!
Need help? I can't get to you.
Hurry! They're far.
You are fall.
Hurry!
Oh, I see what happened, Mom. The snow just connected and there's a hole underneath it. Vincey, get off your horse. What the hell? Oh, there's socks. Let go. Stop it!
Yes, I am you.
I see you. These two, I swear. Hey! My rocks. Not your rocks. Oh, no, it's a good one. Get out of there. Vincey, what happened? Careful.